This Phantom wallet shows $4.7 million, all built from launching meme coins, not from trading hype, not from guessing entries, just launching smart. Stay tuned, I'll show you exactly how I did it. Now, I used to trade meme coins every single day, and every single meme coin I bought, I thought it was the next jackpot. But every single time, bro, the chart dumped and my money completely vanished. And the winners weren't buying these coins. They were launching and deving these. And when you launch your own coins, you are the one setting the supply, the timing, and the entire narrative. You are basically controlling the entire movement of your own coin. You've got nothing to lose as a creator, but if you keep trading, you'll bleed all your money. And if you guys didn't know, Bitcoin is pushing all-time new highs, and Solana is fucking on fire. Let me show you guys on TradingView real quick. Boom, Solana. You guys can see Solana is at $241, bro. That's completely insane, bro. Right now is the perfect time to start launching. Make sure to keep watching. Quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and nothing here is financial advice. Obviously, cap. Pump.Fun is flooded with new tokens. Thousands are launching daily, most buried before they're even noticed. Worst of all, you don't even control your own liquidity. That's fucking shit. If you make a coin, you launch it, and let's say 10 people buy it, which equates to like $1,000, you cannot even touch that money because Pump.Fun holds it away from you. That's fucking shit. But you could make money on fees, but bro, let's be honest, you want to make the money fully, okay? That's exactly why I use Create Tokens.io. It's the best launch pad. With Create Tokens.io, your project goes straight to Raydium. It's instantly migrated and graduated, and buyers can jump in right away because it's launched on the Raydium DEX and it's going to be viewed to thousands of potential investors, even more. Okay, like this coin was launched on the Raydium DEX, it's currently getting a shit ton of traction. That's proof of concept right there, and that's exactly why tens and thousands of devs are using Create Tokens.io. Now on Create Tokens.io, you've got two launch ways. The first way is to actually build from scratch. So pick a meme or a trend that's fucking popping off. I like to go on X, right? Because on X, it's basically the crypto haven. You could literally find anything like this one. Holy shit, over 1 million Brits take over central London with Tommy Robinson. The silent majority has had enough. That's good. 7.6 million impressions. That's insane. Charlie Crook's wife just posted this on Instagram. Heartbreaking. Yeah, bro. That could be a narrative, but yeah, it's really sad. Obviously anything around Charlie Kirk will pop off because he is currently trending, so that's good. Like this guy, he is the killer of Charlie Kirk, so that's good. Now once you have a good narrative, come back to Create Tokens.io and then just give your coin a name, a symbol, and upload a 128 by 128 logo, then click create and you are done. But the second option is the copy trending coins, and my favorite one because it's the most profitable. Now these coins are already having hype traffic from Pump.Fun. You just copy the coins here and launch them instantly on Raydium, and you will see instant buyers and much higher profit potential right from the start because these coins already have proof of concept. They already have hype and buyers on them. You just have to copy them and print money. Alright, let's stop wasting any time. I am launching a coin right now so you can see how fast it works. So first of all, I just connected my Phantom wallet to the website, then click on refresh list, and I'm gonna copy the Poggers coin. It has a last buy 7 seconds ago and a $31,000 market cap and a Twitter and also a Pump.Fun. So create coin. Ignore the warning from Phantom. It's normal. Every single individual is gonna get the same exact warning. Just go proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created. And boom, If I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it's instantly created. But anyways, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this step and page is simple. We're just adding liquidity so the coin can be traded instantly on Raydium by random people. Now, there's two simple steps. First is the amount token A. Just tap 90%, just click here, and that's going to put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. Right under is the token B. This is your first entry into your own coin. It is not money gone, it's just locked into the pool. The minimum is 0.3 SOL, and you get it right back later when the liquidity is removed. So I'm just going to put 0.35 Solana, which is a bit above the minimum, but you will get that back later. You guys will see. Anyways, then click on create pool, and then click on confirm. When that's done, click on refresh right below, and if you scroll down, boom, the Poggers coin is now live. Our PNL is at $0, and now as you guys can see, if you click on refresh, now we're up $221, which is like 0.9 SOL. That's really fucking insane considering it has been a couple seconds, my bad. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on full screen. Hello? Is it gonna load, bro? Like, what the fuck? Like, bro. Okay, we're already up $100, a couple $100. That's really good. 1.5k in market cap. Things are looking juicy. $80. That's insane. It is currently pumping. Let's fucking go. I need more, bro. $80 again? What the fuck? Yo, should I dump the coin right now? Oh my god! Okay, guys, I'm gonna give this coin more time to marinate. Guys, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin, so that's the power of Create Tokens.io and Raydium combined, bro. You guys have to see the potential. It's fucking exploding. Oh my god. Now, I cannot be emotional, okay? It's the same thing as trading. You cannot be emotional. You have to remember that all this money right here that I just made in a couple minutes is all pure profits, and I could just redo it over and over again. Now, I'm gonna give this coin a couple minutes. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna do a quick montage, so be right back. Okay guys, I am back. It looks like we are fucking bullish. We're at a 4.2k market cap, 1.8k liquidity, almost 100 transactions. Things are looking good. We just made $80 right now. Now, if you want to make some money, come back to createtokens.io and then click on the refresh button. And boom, we are up $1.9 thousand with a 5.8k market cap. Oh my god, it's fucking pumping. Now it's the best time to remove the liquidity. Click on the minus button, do 100%, click the red button. Come on, come on. Oh my god, bro. And then click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and make generational wealth. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $1.9 thousand straight in my wallet.